Hello and welcome back to the channel. Hosim contacted me and asked me if I wanted to do a review on one of their vehicles, on their RC cars, and they said yes, and they sent me this. This is straight from them. I did not pay for this, so we're gonna check it out. I just want a review on it, and it's kind of crazy because I don't know what it is. Just says super fast off-road, four-wheel independent suspension, shock absorber system, reduce the vibration of model car while driving and make car run smoothly when encountering obstacles. It can reduce the impact. So it's just, I believe it's got oil shocks, 2.4 gigahertz frequency. It says lipo. It doesn't tell you much on the box. 1/10 scale, which is more like a 1/12 scale, the size of the box. But and then it's got the back like all their boxes do. It shows you everything about the lipo, the charger, and the controller, how it works. It's got proportional steering, left, right, forward, back, 3 AA batteries, but you know, you can't always go by what's on the box here either. Sometimes it is wrong. So let's open her up and see what's inside. We're all going to be surprised here. I didn't even get a link. As of right now, I don't even have a link for this yet to where you can buy it. So I will get one and put it down there. All right, look at that. Red, white, and blue. That's kind of cool and a little truggy. So here's the manual. So this is a 9126 is what it says. I thought that was just a remote control, but comes with a 1-year care protection plan. So there is a little warranty with it, is what it sounds like. Thank you card. And this just tells you all the different directions and all that stuff. And it'll probably have an exploded view of the car and parts and all that stuff back here somewhere. And here's all the parts you can get. Okay, so it is considered a hobby grade, guys. I know, you know, everyone's like, oh, it's just a cheap little car, but you can get parts for it. You just got to get them, you know, half the time. I believe Amazon sells a lot of the parts for these guys, so it's not too bad of a weight. Sometimes it is, sometimes it ain't. Let's see what this is. Nice little bag here. Looks like there might be some parts or something in there. Or... Yep, and a little brush to clean it with. Not sure what these little wires are. Little screwdriver to work on it with. And a little bag just to carry it around in, I guess, huh? That's kind of cool. And this is the controller. And they're all pretty much basic on these cars. They're all the same. There's a bag of goodies down here too still. So here's a controller. You got steering trim. Looks like steering dual rate. Speed mode, high and low for the kids, and then normal steer forward and reverse. So you can go low when you want to give it to one of the kids or something to go play with, so it's not so fast. 3 AA batteries. And this looks like your charger and your battery. Oh, it comes with lights. There's your charger. Just plugs into the balance port. USB. Set of lights. Cool. Always like lights on cars. Oh, okay, here's a 2-into-1 plug. So here's the battery cover is what that's going to be. Extra wheel nuts, extra body pins, and the tool to take the wheels off. And then this is so you can plug both batteries together and run them together as one. So you get a longer run time. You don't get more power, you just get longer run time. That way if you got one battery that runs for 10 minutes, you can hook the two up and run for 20 minutes. Most likely. Okay? Let's see. I guess we should cut this off first, huh? Wow, that's a nice thick body too. And it does have the plastic on top of it to peel the plastic off. I like running it first a couple times, getting it all scratched up, and then you can peel it, and then you'll be good. And it does come with 2 batteries. They do give you this Velcro so you can strap them both in at the same time, because this is the battery cap. It'll fit on top with 1 battery, but not 2. So they give you 2 batteries. Oh, these are 1600 too. These are pretty good sized batteries. 25C. So you can put it inside here. Tuck all the wires in real good. And then put this on top. Right? And it just locks in. Then you don't need that. Okay? But if you want their long run time, you put the 2 together, like this. Okay, and you plug this one into this one. And then you would just strap them both in like the other, like you had it, like this. All right. And just go like that. So this is pretty nice, guys. Doesn't tell you much. They don't. That's hard to tell. Might have to pull that apart. I'm not sure if those don't feel like they're oil filled. Didn't say nothing about oil filled, but you got 2 in the back, or 4 in the back, and 2 in the front. So these are good cars for beginners, guys. It's probably, I don't know, I'm not sure what the price is. Don't quote me on this, but it's probably like $150 for this. So you can get into this little car and actually buy the parts for it when it does, break. They sell everything for this car. So yeah, nice rims. Tires aren't too hard. I mean, there's no foam in them. They're just air filled. But it does have aluminum skid in the front and back. Aluminum drive shafts, which are nice. These look like dog bones in the back, with aluminum cups on both sides. And the front's the same way. It's got these aren't dog bones. These are CVDs up front. Aluminum cups up front, and then it's got the metal screws going to the top. It's not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby at all. So we're gonna go run this, throw some batteries in it, charge the batteries up, go run it. I'm still not real sure what these are, but the thing I can think of is they are for the pins so you don't lose them, maybe. I don't know why they do. Why they're hard. Like a cable. One thing I can think of is maybe this. And that way you don't lose them, you know. Put them in here. I already lost one of them. That's the only thing I can think of what that one's for. I know when I empty the box out, there it is. I think that's where it was. Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of what these are for. And that way when you put the body on here, you have them easy to pull off and on. They're a little long though for this, I think. What do you think of that? Nah, it's kind of long. Yeah, I already lost the body pin. How funny. I'll find it somewhere. Alright guys. I mean, that would be nice to pull that off, but there you go. Quick unboxing, and then we're going to do a quick little run video, so stay tuned for that, guys.